Hey there. So who else has been super frustrated trying to get a video off of Facebook? You know, you've done a great video, maybe you live streamed, and you're like, how the heck do I get that off of there and get it into my YouTube or on my website or share in a different way? So I know when you're in your Facebook page, you can go to publishing and then you can find your video. But if you're in your profile, you're somewhere else and you want to download it and manipulate it or share it, you're stuck, right? So I'm going to share you this killer hack. You are going to be so thankful. I've shared it with so many people already that are on my team and my clients' teams, and they're like, oh my God, this is the best. So yeah, I'm going to share my screen shortly. So I am Lyndsay Phillips with Smooth Sailing Business Growth, and we help create, publish, promote, optimize, and analyze amazing content to help busy entrepreneurs attract and acquire more customers faster with less stress, which is what we want, right? So speaking of less stress, let's make sure that videos in Facebook are not stressful for you anymore. So I'm going to share my screen and show you this killer techie hack. Hold on a second. So let's share my screen. So here is, if you don't know, I have Marketing and Merlot with my good friend Lyndsay Anderson, and we chat about marketing. And yes, we have a glass of wine Thursday nights at 9 o'clock. So I want to download this and put it in my YouTube. So if you click on the date so that you get the URL, let me move this stuff out of the way here. And then you've got this URL here, right? So if you can, well, actually, if you right click it, there we go. That's what I want. The video URL right there. So sometimes it's the same as that. So I'll just, better safe than sorry, right? So I've got the URL. Change those W's to an M.
Hey!
Whoa! Crazy, Lyndsay. All right, so there we go. We've got the URL, we've put the M in there, so we've got the right screen. You're going to right click and go inspect. So when you inspect, you're getting all that background, techie, mumbo jumbo. That can look a little bit confusing, but that's okay. So click on that network tab that you see at the top. Click that little media button right there. It's kind of hard to see, but I will circle it. There it is right there. You do have to play the video. And you see how this comes up right here?
Hey, everybody!
So much fun. Open up in a new tab. That link right there. So in case you didn't see what I did, you see how that's highlighted? You simply click it and right click it.
Hey, everybody!
And yes, you will hear the same line over and over again. Now, right here on the bottom corner is your download. And then you can download it. Bam! You're done. Now, yes, the file is 97 megabytes, and I have to upload this anyways, but how freaking fabulous is that? It's a few little clicks, seconds, and then you can download it. You can put it up in YouTube. You can do whatever you want with it. And it doesn't only have to be your video from your Facebook page. It can be any video. So don't tell anyone. So yeah, we are here to help you as an entrepreneur find all the best tricks to optimize and make your content look fabulous. So if you are looking for more tips, go to smoothbusinessgrowth.com. I even have an amazing social media roadmap so you can create your content marketing strategy and be more consistent with your social media and content marketing so you can attract and acquire customers faster, which is the name of the game, right? So have a profitable and productive week, folks, and may the wins always be at your back.